Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am going to unbox something new, and can be very useful with plants and homeschool. And I know I am very busy and I never thought about this, but since I am gifted with this, I'm gonna learn about this, and I want to share this with you because you might like to do some crafting as well. And this is called the Cricut Maker 3. This is actually the second Cricut that I got because my husband actually tried to wrap a present for me, and I end up actually guessing one of the presents, which I said that looks like a Cricut, and then he said, really, you think it's a Cricut? And I said, yeah, it looks like it, but I'm not sure. And he said, yes, you got one of those is a Cricut box. And then I told him, oh, what type? And then when I said what type, he said, there is really actually a bunch of Cricut. I said, yeah, they have latest and they have different types. So he doesn't know that, so he made me open that box because he only have a few days to return a present. So I opened that box and he got me the Cricut Explore Air 2 Everything Bundle. So that one is on the way to the Cricut store right now, and I just received this today, so I decided to open this with you. So friends, that place, the Cricut store online, is very strict, so just be watchful. If you buy something and you want to change your mind and return that thing, they wouldn't accept any returns for changing your mind for free. You have to pay the shipping and everything else, and making sure everything is good in the box, not open. The box must not be open. You can open this top layer, but the box that I'm gonna open inside must not be open. I'll show you the picture of that. I never opened this one. I just took a picture and put it back in the box, as well as the everything bundle that came with it. It came with a bunch of papers, a lot of papers. So I'm gonna open the two boxes that I have today and show you what this is. I don't know much about this, and I'm nervous. I know a lot of people do videos on YouTube about Cricut machine, and they are very crafty, and I love crafting, but I don't have the time. But I'm gonna make time one day. So, oh wow, this is what is inside. Let's see, Cricut Maker 3. Alright, so this one is the one that cuts 300 plus materials, but I think you have to buy the other needles for it. So let me just open this. The other one that I got came with a different color, and this one is the only color that they have is this one. So this is the latest that the Cricut have. So let's see what is inside. So the other one I got, friends, I never even tried opening the seal on that, because once it is open, they wouldn't take it back, and then you have to pay the shipping back to take it back home, because you will have to ship it back to you. So hopefully we will get our money back on that first one that we got, because we wanted to get the latest, right? Who wants to get the old one? But I don't know, I just have to learn about this. So what is this? Let's see. So this is probably what they call it, welcome letter. Let me see. Let's get started. Smart vinyl. Friends, I have no clue about materials and stuff. So, okay, that's called smart vinyl. This is things to learn. I don't know much about this thing. I know it's very cool to do a lot more things on this, so I am gonna have to learn. So let's see. Alright, let's take this out. Okay, let's open it. This is what it looks inside, like that. And actually there are papers inside here. We'll open that later. So let's take this out the box first. See how big this is. Oh, it's heavy. Alright. So this is the machine. You can just put it down. And this is the stuff, the cord. And USB. And that's it. So let's take that aside. And I want to show this to you right here. Okay. And this is the paper. I actually ripped the paper because I set the Cricut on it. But anyways, I have more on the other box. So let's open this one. Alright. Always fun to unbox something, right? There you go. Let's open the other box too. So let's put this to the side. And let me grab the other box. Now this one, friends, is the everything bundle box. Already, so I already cut the bottom part. So let me get this part here. Cut that one. This is the other box. And it comes with these materials. The basic tool. The Explore pen, and then this comes with a bundle. So let's see what else we have here. Now these are all the things that I got from those two boxes: the machine, the Cricut Maker 3, this essential tool set, the transfer tape, 3 black, white, red smart vinyl, and this is the removable vinyl. The difference is the other one is the permanent vinyl, black, white, red, and then the other one is the removable vinyl, maize yellow, ocean, and grass. And this is the sticker cardstock, which is the smart paper. They are all using smart material here. The bundle comes with all the smart material. Then I think this comes with it too. I know we ordered more other tools with this, but I don't see my other tools. Maybe it's coming in the next order. But this is called the pens, the multi pen set, and I love that it has the glitter on it. And this is another, also the basic tool. I got 2 then, this one and this one, and also the iron on. Again, I'm gonna show you because I don't think I showed you in the first one. This is the smart iron on, silver. This is the gold color, the permanent one, which is the champagne color, and this one says it's blue, the iron on blue. And this one is the smart vinyl permanent one, which is the silver. So alright, now let's take a look inside here. I was gonna turn it on, but I'm not gonna do that now because I'm gonna wait to put it on the table to plug it in. But let's see how it looks open. I think I can open it. Oh, there we go. Ooh, how cool is that? Let's fill off this phone. It is now plugged in. Let's open this and let's turn this on. So cool, I can't wait to use this. And that's it, friends. I think we're ready to make some projects, fun projects. Alright, now let's see how it closes. I know we also ordered a tray to use for the ruler so it can roll smoothly there, and that did not arrive yet, as well as the mats for different materials in case I don't use smart vinyl or smart paper. So this is it for now that came in that bundle today. So I can't wait to start with new projects. I am so thankful for my husband for actually thinking of giving me this Cricut machine, and I have already all the materials that I needed to start doing something with this machine. I'm so thankful for that, and I know I'm gonna have so much fun and have something to do to add with my plants, making labels and decorating my pots and everything else, and also doing something with homeschool with the boys as a project. I know this is gonna be a fun project and something to look forward to, and I am also thankful to you friends for watching this video unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And normally I would say happy planting, but I'm not planting right now, but I would say still happy planting for those who are going to do some planting today. And I know I'm gonna go to the garden too to water my plants today. Well, I guess happy planting for us in watering, and happy unboxing. Thank you so much friends for watching. Have a great day. Bye.